Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Who is Jennelle Eliana? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Jennelle Eliana is a new YouTuber, but she's a YouTuber who's special. And what do I mean by that? Well, she's only uploaded 3 videos in the last month. You can see here, so Van Tour was her first upload, then How I Shower Living in a Van, and Why Do I Live in a Van? So 3 videos. And in that time, she has amassed 6.7 million views, 12 million views, and 2.2 million views. What's special about Jennelle Eliana is that she is, in my view, a complete YouTube creation. What do I mean by that? The normal YouTuber who just starts on the platform will not get these numbers at all. They will not get 6 million. Even PewDiePie, who is the largest individual followed on YouTube with around 98, 99, 100 million subscribers, only surpassed by T-Series. Even PewDiePie did not get these sort of numbers on their first videos. I believe that YouTube decided, they created a YouTuber and a YouTube account as an experiment to see what they could do with the platform, and Jennelle Eliana is that YouTuber. What I mean by that is I suspect that she's an actress. Even if she does live in this van life, she's heavily supported and promoted by YouTube. So her growth has been outstanding. So look at this. 1 month ago, she had around 20,000 subscribers, or 5 to 10, 20,000 subscribers, and now she's at 1.5 million. If we go to the About page, so this is only 3 videos. So with 3 videos only, she has amassed, I'll say that again, with 3 videos only, she has amassed 21.5 million views, which is just not possible. It's absolutely, YouTube has decided what they can do with the platform if they get behind a new creator. Lots of YouTubers, people with a YouTube channel know what's possible. They can tell when something's been faked just because you're looking at the data every day. And I'm not saying that this is fake, but I'm saying that it's been supported and promoted by YouTube as if she were a major corporate brand. If we look at the trending page, let me just look at the trending page on YouTube for you. Okay, here's the trending page. These are the largest videos in terms of views, and you can see that they're normally dominated by well-established YouTubers or videos promoted by major corporations. So here's Chris Brown and Drake have a track, and that will be promoted by their record companies. 14 million views a day ago. Scrolling down, James Charles has been very controversial recently, and is a big YouTuber in the health and beauty space. Scrolling down, so sports, major sports, slow-mo guys, huge channel, well established. So these are the people who are trending. Oh, Jennelle Eliana only just got 3 videos out, already on the trending page, 2.2 million views. That's very, very suspicious. PewDiePie, who I mentioned earlier, PewDiePie has famously not really appeared on the trending page very much, only once or twice, and he has 98, 99, 100 million subscribers. Here's Jennelle Eliana, who's only been on YouTube a month. She's already on the trending page, so you can see it's very suspicious. I'm not going to play a lot of the videos, because if I do that I might infringe a copyright, although actually no, I'm just sort of debating with myself. If you provide commentary, then you're adding to the video. So I'm going to go to her channel. I'm going to go to the first video. So I've muted this. This is the first video of Jennelle Eliana. Look at the camera shots. Look at the production that's gone into this. This is the first video. It's supposed to be the first video of a brand new YouTuber. Look at what she's doing with the production setup for the first ever video. Here she goes into her van tour. I've got here on the right of the screen, you can see some of the stats. She's got 3,000 likes. That's using TubeBuddy. I'm going to pause that now. On the right, you can see some of the stats on this video. I'm using video tool called TubeBuddy. If you want me to make a video about TubeBuddy, I will do that. Just let me know in the comments. So for this brand new channel, brand new video, 3,000 Facebook likes, not really very likely, 6.7 million, 7-8 million views, 21 million views on the channel. Let's close TubeBuddy. So just the way it's set up, it's highly unlikely that this is a genuine brand new YouTuber without the support of YouTube. I think this is almost a unofficially endorsed YouTube channel. They've provided the subscribers. There's been discussion on lots of YouTube channels about people saying, well, I didn't subscribe, and when I click on her channel, I've been automatically subscribed. So there are suspicions around the way that she got to 1.5 subscribers. I have nothing against the lady personally. She seems very nice, funny, witty, intelligent, attractive. So I have nothing against her personally. I suspect she's an actress, has been put in this role, this is my opinion, put in this role by YouTube, and at a time when people know that there are less views and less watch time during summer because people are on vacation, absolutely normal. Jennelle Eliana has shot up in 2 weeks to 1.5 million subscribers and 21.5 million views. As I say, this is a YouTube creation in my view. I'm going to go out of this screen now. Okay, so I'm back on Jennelle's page. She hasn't even posted to her community. So usually YouTubers post to their community and get a lot of feedback there from people who are subscribing. It's a brand new account. There's, you know, the normal interaction models aren't being followed, and she's got all of these subscribers. I'm not saying that people haven't grown a lot of subscribers in a short time before, but never to the levels that Jennelle has done it. So it's very suspicious. What are your views on Jennelle Eliana? Have you seen her channel? Have you seen her views? I know that the sector, solo traveler, female traveler, in living in a van, is a very popular sector. It's a popular niche, and there are lots of women who've recorded these sort of videos, but they haven't racked up the sort of numbers that Jennelle has done in such a short space of time. So I suspect it's very much a YouTube endorsed creation, and the platform is supporting her to the hilt, and as you've seen from her appearance on Trending. So I'd like to know what your views are. If you've watched any of her videos, if you've liked this video, please give me a like, click on my face to subscribe, and click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Invite LinkedIn Connections to Follow Your Company Page, Feature Removed. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hello everyone. You may have heard the phrase, a week is a long time in politics. Well, it's also quite obviously a long time in social media. Last weekend, LinkedIn introduced a feature whereby you could invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page. I made a video about that and I'll link to that now. So if you look in the card above, you can see that video. You can click on and see that video. Since then, LinkedIn has decided today, so it's Friday the 21st of June, LinkedIn have decided to remove that feature. So you used to be able to, a few days ago, you were able to click on Admin Tools, and there there's a feature here that said invite LinkedIn connections to follow company page. It now says post a job new, which is a totally different piece of functionality and not at all related. So they've removed the easy link to invite your LinkedIn connections to follow your company page. Now, I can only speculate as to the reason for that. My explanation is probably to do with revenue, and